No. I come down again.
Well, lay down and let her crawl on you. Logan, don't drink her cup.
Go, Artie.
Thanks, buddy.
Go, Artie. Go. Uh-oh. I got one again.
Logan, why don't you lay down and let sister crawl on you?
Yeah.
Where'd he go, sister? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I hear him. I hear him. Where is he? I hear him. Here he comes, sister. Let sister get you. Lay down, let sister get you. Yeah. She loves her big brother. Uh-oh, careful, don't knock her over. Oh no! Phew, that was close. I'm distracted by the ball.